everyone, years 1 to 6, Miss Chloe here, and welcome back to your final Ramadan Art Challenge week. Remember that these activities are completely optional and it's up to you if you would like to do them or not. So just like before, we've got activities for years 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. And what you guys are going to do is click on the links that you can see on your screen, and it will take you to different art tutorials. So, as year 1 and year 2 have been learning about space and planets this term, I thought it'd be really fun if you guys learnt how to draw an alien in a flying saucer. So, again, these are for young artists, so that's what you guys are. These are aimed at your age group, and you've got the teacher here and his son who is your age. And this is going to teach you how to do an alien in a flying saucer. So you will just follow along, play, pause, and follow along until the end. I've actually given you a second option as well. I think you guys like Toy Story. I know that's one of my favorite Disney films.
Annie, what are we drawing today?
And I've also taken you to a link on how to draw a Toy Story alien. So again, you just follow along, play, stop. You got the teacher and then you have the child, so you guys can watch both and colour in at the end if you want to. Okay, years 3 and 4, I know that your year groups love to make these fold and surprise artworks. So I thought that you would enjoy learning how to make some new ones, and there's a whole playlist here of which ones you can choose. There's an ice cream tower, there's a birthday present, fold surprise one, there's a puppy, there's a Halloween type one, there's a scary monster, so you guys can go down this playlist and choose which ones you would like to do, which ones appeal to you, and then you can colour them in or give them to your friends or your family members. And then years 5 and 6, your challenge this week is to see if you can draw a realistic toucan. So this is a toucan bird, and you are going to stop, start, following along, following this tutorial. And as you can see, it's a lot more advanced than the years 1, 2, 3, 4 art videos. They're using oil pastels. You do not need to use oil pastels. You can use colouring pencils, felt tips, or you can paint, or do you know what? You don't even have to colour it in. It's completely up to you. So just like before, if you want to take a picture of your artwork and upload it onto Class Dojo for me and Miss Anna to see, we would love to have a look at your artwork and give you a like and a comment. And we look forward to seeing what you guys create. Okay, have fun and see you soon.